So at the time of recording this video, we are at 5,241 subscribers, but I did take a picture capturing the moment of hitting 5,000, which I can't find. Boom, 5,000 subscribers in the flesh, casually hiding all my other analytics. Hello everyone, it's Leah, and today we are celebrating 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. In the grand scheme of things, with the amount of people in the world and the amount of views that people get on their YouTube channels, 5,000 subscribers maybe doesn't feel like a lot, but to me, I think it's a huge milestone to celebrate, especially at a time where I feel like I'm finally locking into exactly the kind of content I've been wanting to make on YouTube. And we are going to celebrate this milestone with some fire, with some candles, and with some cupcakes. Because every good milestone needs some sweet treats. But before we get to that, I want to take a moment to talk about my journey on YouTube, where I started, where I'm at now, and goals I have moving forward. So I've had a YouTube channel since I think 2013 maybe. I was never posting on it regularly. Every so often I'd upload some video or a song cover, but it wasn't until 2022 that I started posting regularly and really pursuing content creation as a form of creative outlet, as well as hopefully moving it towards a viable source of income for myself. I'm actually pulling up my YouTube channel right now because I think it'll be fun to take a little walk down memory lane. I don't think I'm gonna watch any of my videos, but I think I've gone through some pretty distinctive eras on my YouTube channel, and I've never been shy about where I wanted to land in the realm of YouTube and content creation, and that was always cosplay. I wanted to make cosplay content. Tutorials, convention vlogs, shopping for cosplays, prepping for cosplays, doing fun transition videos on shorts, even showing you bite-sized versions of the tutorials for YouTube shorts. That is always where I wanted to land. But when I first started out, I didn't really have the ability to be making cosplays on the regular. I didn't really have a good filming setup. It was difficult when I was living in New York City because I had a roommate, so I was always confined to my bedroom to work on projects, and it's just a very stuffy environment. Now out in Vegas, I actually do have a home tour video if you're interested in seeing the setup for my apartment and how I've optimized it for content creation. But the room that I'm in right now is a fully dedicated office, so I use it for recording voiceover jobs. Whoa, there's a bug in here. Go away. It's like a little fruit fly. I use this room for recording voiceover jobs, which is one of my main sources of income, playing video games, whether live or just myself. Oh my God, this fruit fly. If it lands on one of the box lights, I'll be able to kill it easily. I'm getting distracted. I don't even know where I was. Video games. Yeah, sometimes I do live streams, but you know, I also just play video games myself. And then of course, this is where I film my content. I have a rack with all of my cosplays on it on this side of the room. Next to me over here is my sewing machine. I'm right now sitting in front of my crafting table. So everything on my channel up until now has sort of been leading me in this direction. Ooh! I didn't kill it. Oh, it flew away. I don't like the subplot of killing a fly. Anyway, knowing that that was the kind of content that I wanted to make, back in 2022 when I didn't have the capabilities to do that, I was sort of at a crossroads. And in one direction, I could say, I'm not gonna make any YouTube content until I have the capabilities to make the YouTube content in the niche that I see myself fitting into. Or in the other direction, I could start making YouTube content now. I can make other kinds of content. And that's what I did. I started by making daily vlogs, throwing in some thrifting vlogs because that's typically... I almost got it. Throwing in some thrifting vlogs because that's typically how I make my cosplays. I did a whole home decorating series when Terrifier 2 came out, which gave me a boost in my channel for sure. If you're unfamiliar, it was a horror film that I was in. It has a really incredible community. And so some of those Terrifier fans have made their way over to my corner of the internet. And the year following that release, I was traveling around the country, going to conventions, meeting fans. And those were such fun vlogs to be able to make and put on this channel. Hair dye vlogs. I dye my hair a lot, so I love sharing those transformations on my YouTube channel. And so from 2022 until now, mid-2024, only about 2 months ago, could I really say, I did it. My channel is now exactly what I want to be. It's 90% cosplay content, and it's felt so good and so rewarding to finally be able to land in that that space. And not only that, but this is the first time in my YouTube journey where I feel like I'm finally getting recognized for this one creative outlet that I have such a passion for, which is cosplay. I've had other little boosts in my channel before. Like I mentioned, when Terrifier 2 came out, I definitely saw a boost. With the hair dyeing videos, Brad Mondo roasted 2 of my videos, and that really gave me a boost. I featured on the Dead Meat channel with James and Chelsea. That gave me a massive boost. As I said, horror fans, you're incredible. And I was so happy for all of those opportunities and all of the people that those opportunities brought me. But my analytics have been absolutely wild in the past 2 weeks, and that's specifically from cosplay videos. So finally getting recognized for the niche that I was leading my channel into for almost 2 years, just 2 months after I feel like I finally settled into this niche. I was really expecting my engagement to tank because YouTube is a tricky beast. The algorithm is my arch nemesis. I think it's all creators' arch nemesis. Nemesises. That's not right. Comment down below. Plural of nemesis? Nemesis. I digress. There it is. Oh my God. Please, please, please. Come here. Come, little bug. Whenever you I got him. I'm gonna put him in the garbage. Whenever you divert away from the content that performs well on your channel, it's really common to see a dip in numbers, and I really expected to see a dip in numbers. But to see that not be the case and to really focus all of my energy into YouTube Shorts and to see that work pay off, I'm excited. And I'm excited to keep working on my content in the format I'm doing it now, mostly focusing on Shorts, still definitely giving you full cosplay tutorials on my main channel. You know, we've got the Bridgerton video coming up. I'm also trying to focus on some new releases, so House of the Dragon might be on the list soon. Plus, I just started prep for 4 other cosplays, which I showed you in a vlog recently. Misa Imani from Death Note, Spike from Cowboy Bebop, Katara from Avatar: The Last Airbender, and Yuffie from Final Fantasy VII. We have so many great cosplays slated for the next few months on this channel. And before we get this cupcake fired up, I want to thank you one more time, and I want to hear from the community. Comment down below what franchises you really enjoy, what cosplays you want to see me do. All in all, I'm really excited for the future ahead, and I'm happy to have you all along for the journey, all 5,241 now subscribers. Oh, 5,240. We lost one. Sayonara, soldier. Happy 5,000 subscribers. Here is to 5,000 more. Thank you for sharing my love of cosplay with me, my love of all things geeky, and I'm so excited to celebrate the next milestone with you. I guess there isn't really a song, so let's just make a wish. Oh, I guess I gotta try this thing. All right, let's try this monster. There's a lot of frosting on this. Oh my God. That is a thumbs up cupcake. It's like chocolate, but then this stuff on the top is strawberry shortcake. Well, that's all I've got for you today. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. Get us to our next goal of 10,000. Like the video, share it with your friends. Go check out my Shorts channel and see what all the buzz is about. My name is Leah, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. Let it go. 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 난 겨울 Yeah, 가요컵 Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day